Hey there, are you frustrated with your Google TV's Bluetooth not working as it should? Don't worry. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix Google TV Bluetooth and get your devices connected effortlessly. Whether you're trying to link headphones, speakers, or other gadgets, we've got you covered with simple steps to resolve any Bluetooth issue. Steps to fix Google TV Bluetooth. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Before diving into troubleshooting, ensure that the device you're trying to pair with Google TV is Bluetooth compatible. Most modern gadgets like wireless headphones and speakers should work, but double checking never hurts. Consult your device's manual or specifications to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Restart your Google TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor issues. To restart your Google TV, unplug it from the power source. Wait about 10 seconds and then plug it back in. Once it boots up, try reconnecting your Bluetooth device to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Enable Bluetooth on Google TV. Next, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your Google TV. Navigate to the Settings menu, select Remotes and Accessories, and then Bluetooth. If it's turned off, switch it on and put your Bluetooth accessory into pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the device. Step 4. Clear Bluetooth cache. If your Bluetooth is still acting up, clearing the Bluetooth cache might help. Go to the Settings menu, scroll to Apps, select Show System Apps, then find Bluetooth. Tap on Storage and choose Clear Cache. This can often fix glitches that prevent devices from pairing. Step 5. Repair the device. Sometimes unpairing and repairing your device can solve connectivity problems. Go to Settings, select Remotes and Accessories, and then Bluetooth. Find the device you're having trouble with, select it, and choose Unpair. Put the device back in pairing mode and pair it again with your Google TV. Step 6. Update software. Ensure your Google TV is running on the latest software version. Software updates often bring bug fixes that might resolve Bluetooth issues. Go to Settings, scroll to System, and choose About. Select System Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 7. Check Bluetooth distance and interference. Keep an eye on the distance between your Google TV and the Bluetooth device. If they're too far apart or there's significant interference from other electronics, connectivity issues could arise. Try moving them closer together and away from potential sources of interference like routers or microwaves. Step 8. Disconnect other devices. If you have multiple Bluetooth devices connected to your Google TV, it may cause connectivity issues. Disconnect the devices you're not currently using by going to Settings, selecting Remotes and Accessories, and manually disconnecting unnecessary devices. By following these steps, you can easily learn how to fix Google TV Bluetooth issues and ensure a seamless connection with your devices. Whether you're restarting your Google TV, clearing the cache, or updating the software, each method is designed to tackle common Bluetooth problems. Remember, if one method doesn't work, try the next one until you find a solution that works for you. Enjoy a hassle-free streaming experience with your favorite devices.